How you doing? I'm Christopher Alvarado, and my friend, well, not my friend, my
Brother
acquaintance, no, acquaintance, him, he is about to see Two Girls, One Cup. It's his first time seeing it. I told him how nasty it was. He doesn't understand. So let me open the link. Hold on. This might take a while. Alright. Here we go.
Allora cos'è che devo vedere? Guarda, perché filmi la mia guarda e basta. Ok, sono chiaramente due donne.
Make sure you go in the bucket.
Watch out, you doggy.
Oh, look at that. Ooh. Alright, let's stop it there. Alright, now you all see that this video is incredibly disgusting. I mean, look at his first time. Like, what did you eat for breakfast?
I don't know, but it's not that good.
Alright. You can find me on Facebook. Search up Christopher Omar Alvarado, and you will see a picture of me wearing a red shirt and a red polo hat. Him, I'm not pretty sure if you want to find him on Facebook, but just look up Good Luck Nahabi, you know. Alright, I'm out of here.
Wait.
Oh, hey.
To all y'all peoples, this is something you shall not try. I swear, man. I have no words.
Alright, man. We're out.
Oh, wait. Hey, yo, Josh. I'm sorry, man. Please.
Alright, guys. We'll see you later. Bye.